Okay, it's the next day. Remember, we're taking the landscape wiring for our lights and we're going to fish them underneath here. This is the main power. I'm going to put another light here, and I wanted another light over here. There was no wire over here, so I found the drip irrigation pipe. It's got, and see that pipe down there? That's a sleeve. That's about a 2-inch ABS pipe, and it goes over to here. I had to dig it out, and years ago they put some duct tape over the end, and I could tap on it and hear that it's hollow. There's no dirt in it or anything. I've already fished the wire, the landscape wire, through that pipe. See that pipe there? I ran it long enough to wherever she wants to put the light there, we can have it there. And we're going to put another light here and another light here. The existing light wiring is over here. Here's the wire nuts right there. See them? That's going from the existing electrical lighting circuit. I'm going to tap off of there, put a light here, fish the wire over here so we can have another down light here. We're probably going to put a flood over there. Okay? And I wasn't quite sure where the existing drip irrigation pipes are. That's a drip irrigation main pipe, 3/4 inch pipe, and then you've got little 1/4 inch tubings coming off it to the different plants and stuff. Remember, I had dug all this out. I had to dig all those roots, if you saw that before, and I wasn't sure if this was dripping or not. And look, see how there's a little bit of moisture there? I did not turn those on. That was from the other night when they just went on generically, and I'm still gonna check that out, see how much water is dripping out of there, if that's a 1/2 gallon or 1 gallon. If it's clogged up, I'll change the end, and because this is a fairly big tree, you see, and it looks very dry, doesn't it? You see, this is how green it's supposed to be. See how it's dry up in here? And that's because the only water it's getting is that little bit right there. So I can take that off, and I could actually put a T on there if I wanted, and run another 1-inch bubbler over here, 1 bubbler over there, or I can take that bubbler off and put a 2-gallon bubbler in there and find out what is the high side. The high side is probably back there where the dirt kind of slopes over there. So I could put that dripper over there. I'll extend the pipe up above the ground, put probably at least a 2-gallon dripper there. Okay, but for right now, I'm ready to run this wiring. Okay, so that's coming up if you want to watch it.